Bonjour et bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to do some listening practice in French. I will play for you an audio in French 2 times. First without subtitles and second with subtitles. We will listen to the audio very carefully as possible. And we will try to answer some questions in French. And I'm very sure that if you listen the audio line by line, first without subtitles and second with subtitles, you would be able to answer the questions posed before you in French. So let's start the video. First, read the questions carefully. I will give you 15 seconds to read the question. Please read each and every line as carefully and as attentively as possible. Your time starts now. I hope you have read the questions. And don't worry if you have not read the questions, because I will again show you the questions after listening the audio 2 times. So don't worry, just listen to the audio. Now I'm playing the audio without subtitles. Please listen as carefully as possible.
J'ai un ami. Il s'appelle Paul. Paul a 8 ans. Il est gentil et drôle. Tous les jours, nous jouons ensemble. Nous aimons le football. Paul court très vite. Nous courons dans le jardin. Paul est mon meilleur ami.
It's very good if you have understood the audio very well. But if you have not understood the audio, then I'm playing for you again, now with subtitles. So listen carefully.
J'ai un ami. Il s'appelle Paul. Paul a 8 ans. Il est gentil et drôle. Tous les jours, nous jouons ensemble. Nous aimons le football. Paul court très vite. Nous courons dans le jardin. Paul est mon meilleur ami.
Now you have listened the audio 2 times with subtitles and without subtitles. I hope you are able to understand the audio. Now read the questions once again. I'm giving you 10 seconds. Your time starts now. Now let's find out the answer to these questions. So these are the answers to these questions. And please comment in the comment box that how many questions have you answered correctly. So this was all in today's video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more. Alla prochaine!